So we have the LEGO's Icon Succulent Artificial Plant Set. It's for 18 plus. It has around 770 pieces here. So let's check this out and see this review. So in this set itself, it has 9 different LEGO artificial decorative plants in it itself. So hey, it's low maintenance. You don't have to water it. You can put it in your office. You can put it in your, your home. One thing that LEGO does a great job is making it very easy and straightforward to put these things together. They look so beautiful and you think, oh my, it's gonna be really hard to put together. They try to make it as simple as possible. So those bags, 1, 2, 3 labeled, and then it has a detailed instruction booklet as well. This instruction booklet, they put a lot of time and effort into these. They're colored, so it makes it much easier to see which pieces go where and what they are actually. It's not the old-fashioned black and white instruction booklet. So this is the perfect gift for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, anniversaries. It's something really cool and different.